Okay, so it's Monday, August 30, 2 days for the month to close. So I'll put the weekly here. We got the weekly close today. So when we close red here, so remember I have these trend lines drawn. This one gave the top here. There's a middle one because of this liquidity on 56, 58 also, which there's possibility we go there. I don't know when. But until there, for now we are red. Let's see how we close the week. If we manage to close above, to try to go there. If we don't close, we will test the 21 and this moving average is here, and the 20 is simple, 21 exponential, and the 12. And this trend line, test it, and then let's see if we have enough strength to go to the 58, or we don't pass here. And then maybe we come down here, and from here, down here. Or some, and with bounces on this all this moving average, we can have bounces, of course. This can take months, can take a year, nobody knows. For now, we are rejecting this trend line that is made from 2017. And if something like this happens, we can have a bounce and then down. So let's see, indicator starting to point down on the weekly. On the daily, we are doing a bearish divergence. So we get some liquidity here, but we already come, and we are still holding the 21 and the 20 moving average. We have the 200 here waiting for some test. If we start closing on the daily basis below here, if there's no fake out and a bear trap, we can come to this level, and from this level, even this level here. Nobody knows. Just remember, risk management is key at these levels. Remember to buy on RSI on the lows. Here on the lows, we were below here, and now we are doing a bearish divergence, the price going up, indicator RSI going down, pointing down. So just be careful, use our risk management. If you bought below, take profits. And yeah, so just see where we hold as support. Remember, 2 days for the monthly, for the month to close. So on the monthly, if we close below this trend line, we might come down. We don't know until when, until where. And yeah, if we close above, we can come here, and from here reassess to see if we have enough strength to go up, or we just come down and somewhere around here. And area by area, of course, support. We have support here as well, so this might hold. So we don't know what can happen. Will depend also on the stock market, which is all green, but it's very toppy. And September to December, normally not much good months, so we can have a correction, a due correction, and let's see where we go. Okay, so this is it. If you want to learn how to read all these, work with this trading view, with this, with indicators like this one, giving where is the liquidity, and the price is always looking for supply, demand, and liquidity. So let's see. So indicators pointing down, 1 hour, support here, 4 hours. We are on the 100, next support 200 here, liquidity here, and liquidity here. So let's see. This is a patience game. And remember, if you're an investor, maybe you can take some profits. If you're a trader, you can take profits and buy on supports, take profits on resistance. Okay, that's it. Quick update. This is where we traded. We bounced from here when everyone was bearish, thinking about 20s, 25s. We got the bullish engulfing and start to go up. We were extremely oversold. Bounced from this trend line. Price went up. You need to be patient, not buy here. Price went down. hold this support from this top and this top, bounced. Then we had this trend line that came from the top over there. We went above, came down, tested, went up. Then we found resistance, and now we are ranging and not being able to pass this area. So we are trying to find some support below. But let's see if the 200 holds here, and then we bounce back up, or if we start to close below, and we might come down to test this area again, or even lower. And yeah, that's it. So 2 days for the month to close. This is the weekly chart, red with the doji. And now let's see if we have continuation down for this area, and from this area reassess, closes below this trend line on a weekly basis. We can keep on coming down. If we hold here and found support for a while, we might bounce back. And if we close next week above this trend line, we can come to this area. As simple as that. Keep it simple. Just use risk management, sell on greed and euphoria, buy on fear and uncertainty. And when the price is holding support,